This tutorial will instruct you on the installation of the Dialogic drivers for Dialogic telecommunications hardware. First, we'll insert the TrueData DVD into your DVD drive. You should see the main menu auto-launch. If it does not, then access My Computer and double-click on the DVD main drive. If not, then access My Computer and double-click on the DVD drive to launch the main menu, such as what I'm doing here. You should see Dialogic System Release here in the window. Go ahead and double-click, and that will launch the main menu. This DVD contains both System Release 5.1.1 with Service Update 136 and System Release 6.0 with Service Update 74. If you're using your Dialogic board with a third-party application, you must follow the application provider's specific driver installation instructions. Many third-party applications require very specific installation procedures or specific service updates. Before you continue, please check with your application provider to verify that one of the system releases contained on this DVD will be compatible with your application. You will install either System Release 5.1.1 or System Release 6.0. You should never attempt to install both on the same system. To install System Release 5.1.1, select the Install Dialogic System Release SR 5.1.1 option here on the main menu. Click Next. Click No. Click Yes. Click Next. Here is where you can specify which kind of installation you would require for these Dialogic 5.1.1 drivers. Now, typically your software provider will provide you instructions on exactly what they like, or you can just select Complete, which is what we're going to do here for purposes of this demonstration. It may advise you that you've selected third-party support to be installed, and all you'll need to do is just click Yes here to continue on. You may want to download Java Runtime 2 if you'd like some of the SMTP features of the Dialogic drivers to be enabled. Here you can select the ISDN protocols to be loaded for the configuration files in the Dialogic directory. Typically, you select all and leave everything here. It doesn't hurt to have them all. As well as the DM3 components. Go ahead and click Next. Setup will copy files to the directory that you specify. You can click the Browse button to specify a different drive if you're keeping your OS and program files separate on different partitions. It'll ask you if you would like to create the directory. You click Yes, and then click Next. Click Next again. Click Next again. You might see the SMTP BoardWatch SNMP check may not have been detected. You need SNMP enabled to enable that feature of the drivers. It is not a critical component, however, this may pop up when you do the complete installation. You can review the release guide included here in the installation drivers, or just uncheck this and click Next. Click OK, and it's letting us know that we need to reboot the system. So we're going to go ahead and reboot the system here. Go ahead and select Yes, and then we're going to apply the service update. So finish, and let your system reboot. Okay, we've rebooted now after the first part of the installation has been completed. To open up our main menu, we go to My Computer, and then double-click the Dialogic System Release DVD drive. And the next part in the operation of installing the 5.1.1 drivers for Dialogic would be to install the service update 136 that we have here on the main menu. Go ahead and double-click that. And then click Next. Click Yes. Leave these as defaults and click Yes. Go ahead and click Next. It's going to copy the files to the hard drive. Okay, for purposes of this tutorial, we actually skip through a bunch of this backup and installation process here. It is normal for it to take upwards of 10 to 15 minutes to install. Now that we've completed here, you just select Yes, I want to restart my computer again, and click Finish. And the second and final reboot has completed. So now we have access to the Configuration Manager, or DCM. It will let you know that the DSS is. And if you had any boards in the system, it would detect them and populate the Configuration Manager here. That concludes the installation tutorial for the Dialogic drivers 5.1.1 with the service update.